Hi everyone! Nandito na naman tayo sa isang tutorial video kung saan pag-uusapan natin ang simplifying rational algebraic expression. Okay? So, handa ka na ba? Simulan na natin. Pangit. So, simulan na natin. So, rational expression is in the lowest terms if the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1 or -1. And in simplifying rational algebraic expression, we need to consider these steps. So first, we have factor the numerator. Second, factor the denominator. And then, cancel the common factor. Okay? So if we already factored the numerator and the denominator, we are able to cancel the common factor to both of them. So in simplifying rational algebraic expression, it is the same as simplifying rational numbers, okay? Because both uses the concept of factoring and canceling the greatest common factor. So I have here first example. So we have 15a minus 3 over 24. So first, we need to get the common monomial factor of our 15a minus 3. Kung nakikita nyo dito, yung ating 24 na denominator ay na-copy lang natin. And then, yung 3, yun ay galing sa ating numerator. Diba nga, ang sabi sa first step natin, factor the numerator. So, if you are going to factor this numerator, then you need to get the common monomial factor of this 15a minus 3. So, this 3 here is the common monomial factor of 15a and 3 since we can divide these terms by 3. Let's start dividing 15a minus 3 by 3. So, if we divide 15a divided by 3, so we have 5a. Since if we multiply 5a times 3, we can have 15a. And then, if we divide -3 by 3, or in dividing unlike signs, so we have a -1. We need to focus on the number outside the parentheses, or the common monomial factor, and our denominator. Okay, so we have 3 and 24. Anong gagawin natin sa kanya? So ito lang, ihiwalay lang muna natin saglit. We are going to simplify this rational number, this fraction 3 over 24. So in simplifying rational number, we need to look for the greatest common factor, wherein in the numerator, we have 3, and in the denominator, we have 3 also. If we divide 3 divided by 3, our answer will be 1. And if we divide 24 divided by 3, our answer will be 8. So therefore, 3 over 24 is equal to 1 over 8. So yung 1 over 8 na yan is gagamitin natin dun sa final answer ng ating 15a minus 3 over 24. So ano yung magiging itsura niyan? So sabi ko nga kanina, ang gagalawin lang muna natin is 3 and 24 at yung 5a minus 1, ikakopy lang natin dito. Yung 1 natin na nandito sa ating numerator, yan, yun ay yung nandito sa labas. Yan, okay, so may 1 tayo dyan sa labas. At yung 8 natin, na i-copy lang natin dito. So kaya naman, ang magiging final answer dito sa ating rational algebraic expression na 15a minus 3 over 24 will be 5a minus 1 over 8. Okay? I hope nakuha tong ating first example, so we can proceed to example number 2. So I have here 4x plus 8 all over 2x plus 4. Again, our first step is to get the factor of our numerator. So we need to get its common monomial factor, wherein I have here 4 as their common monomial factor. Since our first term here, 4, can be divided by 4, and our second term, 8, can be divided by 4 also. Let us divide 4x divided by 4. So we have x. Since if we multiply 4 to x, its answer will be, or its product will be 4x. And if we divide positive 8 divided by 4, our answer will be positive 2. So therefore, the factor of our numerator 4x plus 8 is equal to 4 times the quantity of x plus 2. Now, let's move on to the second step. We need to factor our denominator, wherein our denominator is equal to 2x plus 4. So first, look for the common monomial factor of this expression, 2x plus 4. So ang nakuha natin dito na common monomial factor ay 2. Since our first term, 2x, can be divided by 2, and our last term or second term, 4, can be divided by 2 also. So, i-divide natin. Ano yung magiging sagot dito? If we divide 2x divided by 2, our answer is x. Since if we multiply 2 times x, our product will be 2x. If we divide 4 divided by 2, our answer will be positive 2. So therefore, ang factor natin ng expression ng denominator na 2x plus 4 ay 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. So I hope malinaw yung ating factoring dito, kahit baka medyo mabilis yung ating factoring. Sana naintindihan. Ngayon, ano yung ating third step? We need to cancel the common factor to both of them. So ano ba yung common factor to both of them? Kung nakita natin yung x plus 2 sa numerator and sa denominator, ibig sabihin, pwede natin yang makancel. Okay, so cancel na natin si x plus 2 sa numerator at sa ating denominator. Pagkatapos niyan, yung ating number or yung common factor na nasa labas, which is 4 and 2, ay kailangan din nating i-simplify. So paano ba siya i-simplify? Ibukod muna natin, okay? Bukod natin. Ayan, 4 over 2. Okay? So, alam naman natin, if we divide 4 divided by 2, our answer will be 2. So, therefore, our final answer for this expression or for this rational algebraic expression is equal to 2. Since our factor x plus 2 were cancelled, and then we divide 4 divided by 2, that's why our final answer is 2. Okay, I hope the second example is very clear to you. Let's proceed to the third one. X minus 4 over 3x squared minus 12x. So yung first step natin ulit, factor the numerator. Now, since our numerator is already in simplest form, kailangan na lang natin siyang kopyahin. Okay? So, x minus 4, sinulat na lang natin dyan. At yung denominator natin, ang kailangan nating i-factor. Okay? Ano kaya yung magiging common monomial factor nito? Okay, so 3x pala. Okay? Since 3x can be the divisor of 3x squared and negative 12x. So, let's divide 3x squared divided by 3x. So, its quotient is x. Since if we multiply 3x times x, our answer is 3x squared. And then, if we divide negative 12x divided by 3, division of unlike sign always give us the quotient of negative. So, it is equal to negative 4. Since negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4, and x divided by x is 1, so therefore, negative 12x divided by 3x is equal to negative 4. After getting the factors, we need to cancel the common factor of this rational algebraic expression. Nakikita mo, merong x minus 4 sa numerator at merong x minus 4 sa ating denominator. So, ano yung kailangan natin gawin? Siyempre, pwede na natin yang makancel. Now, kung na-cancel na natin yung numerator sa kung na-cancel na natin yung x minus 4 sa numerator at yung x minus 4 sa denominator, ang numerator natin ay magiging 1 na lang. Kaya naman, ang possible final answer sa kanya is 1 over 3x. So, the simplified form of x minus 4 over 3x squared minus 12x is equal to 1 over 3x. So, let's proceed to another example. So, we have x plus 6 over x squared plus 5x minus 6. Again, so we have step number 1, we need to factor the numerator, but yung x plus 6 natin is already in simplest form, so ibig sabihin, ikakopy na lang natin. So yung denominator natin, ang kailangan nating i-factor dyan. So x squared plus 5x minus 6 is the factoring of general trinomial. Ang first term natin na x squared, meaning meron tayong dalawang x. Yan. And then, titingnan naman natin ngayon yung ating last term. Ang ating last term is negative 6, di ba? So, hahanap tayo ng factor ng negative 6 na kapag pinag-plus natin, ang magiging sagot ay ang kanyang middle term na positive 5. So, dun pa lang sa ating sign ng ating last term, which is negative, alam na natin na ang factor niya or ang dalawang factors niya ay yung isa ay positive at yung isa ay negative. So, kaya naman, kung pipili tayo ng factors ng negative 6, kailangan pag daw pinag-plus natin yun, positive 5 ang magiging sagot. So, ang possible factors ng negative 6 na ang sagot pag pinag-plus natin is positive 5 ay yung isa, positive 6, at yung isa, negative 1. So, if we multiply positive 6 times negative 1, so we have negative 6. And if we add positive 6 plus negative 1, so we have positive 5. Since positive yung 6 natin, mas malaki yung value na dun sa negative 1, kaya susundin natin yung positive sign ng 6. Okay? So, ano na yung next step natin dito? We need to cancel the common factor for this expression. So, nakita natin si x plus 6 nasa taas at si x plus 6 ay nasa denominator. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nating makancel yung x plus 6 na present sa ating numerator and denominator. So, cancel na natin yung x plus 6 dito. Ang matitirang number dyan or ang matitirang expression dyan, yun ang ating magiging final answer. So, ibig sabihin, kung na-cancel na natin yung common factor nila, ang matitirang lang sa kanila ay 1 over x minus 1. So, therefore, our final answer for this expression or this rational expression, x plus 6 over x squared plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 1 over x minus 1. So, let's proceed to our last example. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. Yung first step natin ulit, we need to factor our numerator there. Right after factoring the numerator, proceed to our denominator. So, x squared plus 2x minus 3, alam natin, meron yang dalawang x. After getting the factors of x squared, we need to factor our last term, which is negative 3. If we get the factors of negative 3, dapat ang maging sagot natin pag pinag-plus natin sila ay positive 2. So, ano kaya yung possible factor ng negative 3 na pag pinag-plus natin, positive 2 yung sagot? So, subukan natin. Merong isang positive 3 at yung isa naman ay negative 1. So, ngayon, if we multiply positive 3 times negative 1, so we have negative 3. And if we add positive 3 plus negative 1, our answer or the sum of positive 3 and negative 1 is equal to 2x. So, after factoring this numerator, let's proceed to our denominator. Kailangan din natin siyang ma-factor. So our denominator here is x squared minus 3x plus 2. Again, meron tayong dalawang x. Palagi na lang tayong may dalawang x. Okay. Then, let's look at the third term, which is positive 2. So let us find out what are the factors or what is the set of factors of positive 2, which has the sum of negative 3 or of our middle term negative 3. So I have here negative 2 and negative 1. Since this positive 2 has a positive sign, if we multiply negative 2 times negative 1, our answer there will be positive 2. And if we add negative 2, okay, if we add negative 2 plus negative 1, our answer there is our second term, negative 3. So after factoring the numerator and the denominator, let's proceed with our third step, which is cancel the common factor. So our factors for numerator are x plus 3, or the quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 1, and the denominator, so we have quantity of x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 1. So ang common factor nila dito, nakikita naman natin, pareho silang may x minus 1, so ika-cancel na natin sila. At again, yung hindi natin maka-cancel, sila yung ating magiging final answer. Okay, so yun yung pag-simplify natin ng rational algebraic expression. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video and see you on our next video.